here for it, aren't we? Yeah, we here for another reaction to Chloe Rang. Her song Try just dropped, so we here to check it out. Now, I ain't gonna lie, she dropped me a tiny little snippet, just a tiny little snippet of this song. Nothing to where like, oh my god, give the whole song away to me type deal, but like, I'm here for it. We here for it. We gonna check this out. Make sure you subscribe to me because yes, why not? Hit that bell too so you know I drop new videos. I got some ideas in the making. Just make sure you wanna keep up with them. Anyway, let's just jump right into this song, Try. I do know that this song is a little bit different feel from her normal stuff that I've been hearing, so I'm kind of excited. Let's go. Maybe. Cover art looks pretty cool too.
I don't know why I stay with you. I don't know why I try. I don't know why I try with you. Why?
Whoopsie.
I do know why I vibe with you. Why do I vibe with you on a different level? I mess with you. Why do you mess with me in ways that I know better than to?
I'm really feeling the beat.
I don't know why, but I wanna stay with you. So here's what we are gonna do. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna try.
Now, here's what I'm saying. The beat, great. Sounds amazing. Love the beat. I don't know why, but that's just I'm screwed to the beat. Here's what I think of Chloe Rang, if y'all don't know. And I've told her this personally on Twitter too, in the DMs. Like her and I talk on the regular, you know. I like talking to artists that I react to, want me to react to them. I like talking to fans, anything. I enjoy it. Anyway, I told her, I was like, you know, she has a unique voice. So you know, she has that voice that like not everyone's gonna just grasp to just because the song's cool. People might like the song, but like, the voice, this song be kind of cool, that different kind of voice. Bleh, shut up. You know, she broke out into like the hip hop scene first, but I really honestly think her voice is more of like a jazzy blues kind of feel. What did I say? Jazzy blues? Yeah. She's like a jazzy, kind of a blues kind of a feel to it. That's what I think. She's got that, like, if she can like find her right audience, I think she'll do great. She's still searching, she's still new, she's only been out for like a year, but you know, I feel like she'll get there.
What are we gonna do? I'm gonna try and be with you. You always saying that. So here's what are we not gonna do? You sure as hell aren't going to be so rude to me. Don't fuck up your opportunity.
Nice.
Cause I can promise it's your final one. Don't try and don't even try. Inside my head, get out. Cause trust and believe you'll end up dead. It's spooky fucking season, and I'm not the one to mess with. So don't think that you are gonna wake up with me in your bed. You're manipulative as fuck, and I'm done with you. Didn't think I could
Done
be
with
this
you.
Get out of my head, out of my bed, out of my life, out of my now. I don't wanna have to shout. I tried with you. Honestly, neither do I do know I mess with you. Why do I mess with? On a different level, I do. I vibe with you. Oh wait, you do. In ways that I know better than to. Little did I know, little did I know, little did I know. You don't love me too.
All right. That. I was really just like listening to the lyrics and stuff towards that about that in that last part. This whole last bit. I was really listening to the lyrics. I wasn't really trying to interrupt us. I was trying to listen to it. I mean, the message of the song. The message of the song is pretty straightforward. Like I said, the beat is great. Her voice goes well with this. Better than some of the other things I've heard her on. It's definitely something more fitting for her. She picked up her temp. She'd pick up her pace a little bit every now and then, her little flow, with her flow switching, and it fits some parts. There are some parts I'm just like, I don't know, but other than that, the song not bad, Chloe. Definitely one of your better songs. Every song should be your next best song. It should be better than your last. No matter what it was, who it was with, how good it did. Your next, if one song you did got, 10,000 views, 300 likes, your next song better get 10,001 views, 301 likes, every song should do better than the last. That's what you want as a growing artist. You want your next project to be your best project every time. Don't settle like, oh, okay, I'm at my top. Nope, you're not there yet. Keep going. You'll get there, Chloe. You get there. Your limit's only as high as you set it. That's for anybody out there. Any artist of anything. So, but yeah. That is my idea of it all. The song itself was great. The message of it was great. The song itself, everything. The beat, I love the beat. The beat was probably like my most favorite part of this whole thing. I love the beat. But yeah, make sure you follow me on Twitter. Make sure you subscribe to me. Hit that bell. That way you know when I drop new videos. All types of stuff. I got some ideas in the working. Yeah.